Hi, good morning. We're standing outside stand 2911 Waterfall Country Village Estate. It's a very cute family home, 4 bedrooms, loft, study, swimming pool, solar power, inverter. So perfect for a young family or newcomers to Waterfall to come and enjoy the lifestyle of the estate. So follow me and we can have a look. The house is situated on a panhandle. We have double garage and you walk into the main entrance from there, and you can see immediately on your left hand side the garden and the swimming pool area. The swimming pool is salt water through the entrance. Lots of packing space. You can dump your bags and even shoes here, and then you walk into the living room, or you can use this as a dining room. You have interleading living spaces here, open plan, heated by 2 gas fireplaces, and a beautiful kitchen with lots of cupboard space and electric and gas stove. So you've got the best of both worlds. Adjacent to the kitchen is a scullery with space for 3 appliances. And there is also space for a double fridge. We're going to walk into the garage now. It is a little bit messy. The family has been packing to leave, but it is worthwhile to see because it has a lot of built-in cupboards here as well. Also situated in the garage, nice little storeroom under the staircase. There are 3 interleading living spaces. Right now we are in the dining room section, and it is situated right next to the one fireplace, and on the other side right next to the one living space that is also heated with another fireplace, both of them gas. And you will notice every nook is utilized as cupboard space, so you can tuck away all your knickknacks and family belongings. The patio has been enclosed with sliding doors leading to the garden, and with a built-in braai area, as well as another packing cupboard and a sink. All of the windows, you will notice, have blinds, roller blinds, and most of the windows also have curtains, all of which will remain as part of the sale or rental of this house. Another cool feature I notice is there are a lot of electrical plugs. There are a lot in the kitchen as well as in every opportunity on the walls. So I know we're always looking for where to plug our phones to charge. Here they've thought of that. Outside, cozy garden. The pool is covered with dynamic PVC pool blanket and cover that is very secure, and a nice little garden for easy maintenance. Another nice feature this house has is there are 3 bedrooms in the family wing upstairs, and there is also a separate apartment with a bedroom, living room, and the loft area that is accessible separately from this staircase here, from the enclosed braai and patio area, and you can also access it from upstairs from the joint balcony. So let's go have a look upstairs at the guest wing or granny flat. We've now climbed up the stairs and we are into the guest wing or granny flat or teenager pad. There is a living room. It can also be utilized as a kitchenette or a study area. Quite a decent size area with the same flooring that the rest of the house has, the vinyl wood flooring, and an air conditioner, as well as the roller blinds that the whole house has. It has access to its own private balcony. The loft upstairs we'll have a look at just now. To the left of the stairs, there is a bathroom with a shower. Bedroom has built-in cupboards. All of the bedrooms, the 4 bedrooms, have carpets as flooring, and they all have blinds. And now let's pop into the loft area. It is also air conditioned. The loft is with wooden planks, and it's a very good space as well. Set up as a TV room or another study or another lounge area, and also air conditioned, also with blinds. To get to the right flow of the house, we're going to go down the stairs again, and we'll utilize the family stairs to get into the 3 family bedrooms on the other side of the house. However, you can also connect them with this beautiful big balcony. The staircase balustrade is solid wrought iron. Every single staircase is fitted with the security gates, so families with young children will absolutely enjoy living here. The corridor here is tiled, and the 3 bedrooms have carpets. The kids' bedrooms with curtains, built-in cupboards, and the full bathroom. Once again, all the bedrooms have air conditioners. The bathrooms are in very good condition, so ready to move. Master bedroom across the passage, so nice and private. Lots of linen cupboards here, and here we are in the master bedroom. Sliding doors to the same balcony with a nice view down the diagonal to Mall of Africa. Blinds, aircon, walk-in closet, and a bathroom as well. Beautiful, very spacious balcony. You can put a big table here. You can access the guest wing. You can access all the bedrooms through here, and you can generally enjoy living in this cozy, neat house. I see also, whilst we're standing here, it's fitted with gutters, everything in perfect condition, very well maintained. So a perfect family cozy home to start your life in Waterfall Village Estate. Come and have a look.